So these were my natural nails before I decided to start using gel and acrylics, and these are my nails after. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what I used to do to make my nails super long, super strong, and I'm going to share with you guys what I did to ruin them and what I've been doing lately to help them grow back. So yeah. Now I know some of you guys watching this video might be thinking, girl, you already had long nails. Why did you get acrylics? Honestly, my answer is I just wanted to try something new. There's a few styles that you could do with acrylics that you couldn't do with your natural nails. And honestly, I just wanted to try something new. Now I'm sharing this video because one of the main problems that I had was my nail lifting. Now, I know you guys can see the discoloration from fungus or fungi and how much my nails are weakened because of all the filing. After further investigation, I realized that getting your nails damaged because of acrylics or gel is actually super common. But if you guys look at my middle finger, you guys will see how much of the nail lifting happened that we also call oncolytis, I think. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. I actually had it happen on all my nails, all my fingernails, and until this day, it's not 100% back to normal. But I was able to kind of fix it, so I'm going to share it. So I'm going to share what I did with you guys in today's video. Now, first, I want to share with you guys what I used to do to my nails. This is something that I used to teach my friends, my classmates, that actually really helped. Of course, genetics plays a huge role, but if you do this or if you implement this in your nail routine, I promise you guys that you are going to have long ass nails. So the secret ingredient is garlic. Garlic is really, really, really good for nail growth, and especially in situations like this where you have some sort of infection or something, garlic is a strong antiseptic, so it will take care of any fungus or residual bacteria. It also helps your nail grow stronger and quicker because it makes the cuticle of your nail stronger. It also contains selenium, which helps promote faster nail growth. So if you're someone that doesn't have a lot of time in your hands, or if you're just honestly lazy like me, placing some garlic in your clear nail polish is basically the easiest way to make it grow faster and longer. If you're the type of person that can grow your nails really long, but it can break really easily, this is also really good because garlic makes your nails a lot stronger. So you'll be able to grow them super long without them breaking off. For this video, I placed the garlic in the nail polish and I literally left it for like 2 hours and I passed it on my fingernails. But what you need to do is leave it in your nail polish for at least 24 hours until it goes yellow. Once it goes yellow, you basically know that it's ready to be placed on your fingernails. Now, for my damaged nail, I literally have three things, or like my three main concerns, which is all of the filing that I had that made my nails weaker, the fungi, and obviously the oncolytis / nail lifting that happened. As I mentioned, my middle finger is the one that had the most. So what I did was make sure my nails were always as short as possible. My nails didn't really hurt, but I did feel a lot of discomfort, especially if something happened to creep in under my nails. Because as I mentioned, every single fingernail actually has the nail lifting on the tip. So it became super uncomfortable, but it was the middle finger that literally suffered the most. Now, another thing that I did was honestly just leave my nails alone. Once all of the nail lifting started to look normal, I needed to grow out my filed nails. So basically where my nails were filed, I had to grow that all out so that new nail can come in. Because when my nails would grow out, it started to break easily because my nails were super weak and the filing would make it as there were too many tears in my nails. So my nails would get caught on like fabric and stuff super easily. So I had to make sure to like grow that all out. So once I was able to do that, I started to use garlic once again. Now, your nail bed honestly is super hard for it to just like attach to your fingernail by itself. You have to do something. Some people use tea tree oil. Guys, I tried to get my hands on tea tree oil. It was literally impossible, like where I live. And then I started using rubbing alcohol, and I would place it under my nail bed, or like on top of my nail bed under my fingernail. I just continued to use garlic, and I would place it under my nail with a cotton bud, and that just helped get rid of any of the fungus, and it also helped my nails start to like go back to normal. You can literally pass this ointment with your fingers, or you can use a nail polish brush, and of course just rub the ointment into your cuticles to promote faster nail growth. Now, once I grew out the file down nails, the nail lifting, and all of the fungus, my nails started to grow back normal again. But to make it strong so that it doesn't break too easily, I continued to pass my clear nail polish with my garlic inside. I would try to pass it at least once a week or once every 10 days. And after I would pass my clear nail polish with my garlic, I would also pass another nail polish without anything inside, just like a normal nail polish base over it, just to make sure that it's super protected. And basically, you guys, that is all I did. I'm super grateful that my nails grew back to normal, because honestly, after like the whole nail lifting thing, I was super certain that my nails would just never be what they used to be. And honestly, as I said, the nail lifting on all of my fingernails are still there. Like where my nail bed used to start, like my fingernail used to be like a bit longer, like naturally, but it no longer starts where it used to start. You know, it starts further away, but still it's mostly back to normal, and for that I am super grateful. So if you guys go through this situation, if you ruin your nails like me, or if you want to start growing out your nails and you want to make them stronger, all of the tips that I shared in this video will definitely help you out. So yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Deixou a minha bed wet, folha da croa. Até a perfeição tem inveja dela. Bem limpa, tipo banha nas estrelas. Não quero mais procurar, é mesmo ela. A mamãe te desmona, me vai ser ela. Ela não anda, ela desliza. Em todo canto em que ela pisa. Para tudo pandemia. Tá nas vistas miopia. Essa miúda é muito gira. É verdade, não é mentira. Quando remexe gajo pira. E ela faz lembrar Shakira. Ela faz lembrar Shakira. Shakira. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, amor, você me cuia, bué. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, serás pra sempre minha mulher. Epicentro de alegria, testei positivo no amor. Não faz isso, mamma mia. Juro mesmo, vou morrer